If you're living paycheck to paycheck, it's not because you don't earn enough. It's because of these 5 deadly money habits. And chances are, you're doing at least 3 of them right now. Most people think they need to earn more money to get rich. But the truth is, your habits are either building your wealth or destroying it. Let's break it down. Habit number 1. You spend first, save later. This is the biggest mistake. Every rich person follows one rule: pay yourself first. The moment your salary arrives, automatically transfer 20% to savings. Don't even think about it. Automate it. Habit number 2. You have no budget. Flying blind with your money is dangerous. You don't need a complicated spreadsheet. Just follow the 50-30-20 rule. 50% on needs, 30% on wants, 20% on savings and investments. Simple, powerful, life-changing. Habit number 3. You're paying for subscriptions you don't use. Netflix, gym membership, apps. Go through your bank statement right now. Most Americans waste $200 to $300 every single month on forgotten subscriptions. Cancel what you don't use. That's free money. Habit number 4. You have no emergency fund. One unexpected expense, a car repair, a medical bill, and your entire financial plan collapses. Start small. Save just $10 a day. In 6 months, you'll have $1,800 sitting safely as your safety net. And habit number 5, your money is just sitting in a savings account, doing nothing. A regular savings account gives you 0.5% interest, but a high-yield savings account gives you 4 to 5%. That's 10 times more. Move your money today. It takes 10 minutes and costs you nothing. Here's the truth. You don't need a 6-figure salary to build wealth. You just need better habits. Start with just one of these today. Which habit are you fixing first? Comment below. And if this helped you, subscribe, because every day we drop one tip that could change your financial life.